Imagine a vehicle that blends the rugged legacy of Ford with the comfort of a high-end retreat. That's the 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper, a bold, modern marvel built for explorers who demand both power and polish. This isn't just a road trip companion, it's your all-terrain sanctuary. From the outside, it commands attention. The front grille draws inspiration from Ford's F-Series trucks, muscular and wide with active shutters that adapt to airflow needs. Flanking it are C-clamp LED headlights, giving it that futuristic Ford signature look. Its two-tone matte and metallic paint job, combined with 22-inch off-road wheels and a raised air suspension profile, make it look equally ready for the Rockies or rodeo drive. Pop the hood, and you'll find Ford's hybridized V80 powertrain, 850 horsepower and instant torque thanks to dual electric motors working with a refined combustion engine. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds, unbelievable for something this size. With smart AWD, magnetic ride control, and adaptive terrain mapping, it conquers every trail, every climate, every turn. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The cabin opens with dual sliding glass doors, revealing an interior that feels more like a luxury condo than a camper. Reclaimed walnut trim, soft suede headliners, and brushed aluminum fixtures greet you. The living space features 2 swivel recliners, a smart glass projection wall, and a pop-up holographic control interface powered by Ford's Voyager AI. The modular kitchen is compact but elite, featuring a seamless touch control cooktop, dual-drawer fridge, water recycling dishwasher, and even a hidden herb garden built into the countertop. The lighting adjusts automatically based on your activity, reading, relaxing, or cooking. There's also a climate-zoned aroma system to personalize your space with calming scents or energizing citrus for early mornings. Slide toward the back, and you'll find a stargazer bedroom with a panoramic ceiling window. The bed is a smart memory foam unit with suspension calibration, adjusting firmness based on terrain. And if you're camping somewhere remote, the blackout mode instantly tints all windows and silences exterior lighting for ultimate privacy. Even the bathroom goes beyond expectations, a full wet room layout with self-cleaning tiles, heated flooring, and a rainfall shower with temperature memory presets. There's even a closed steaming system built right into the wall. Now let's talk tech. The rooftop is lined with smart solar panels that tilt and track the sun. You've got 5G connectivity, satellite-based Starlink internet, drone launch access, and a 360-degree camera array with thermal imaging. And yes, remote campsite deployment is a thing. You can level the RV, activate perimeter lights, and even deploy the awning from your smartwatch. The 2026 Ford Motorhome isn't for everyone. It's for the wanderers with ambition, the families who want adventure without sacrifice, and the solo nomads rewriting the rules of travel. Starting at $490,000, it's a premium investment, but for the experience it delivers, it's worth every penny. If you could take this on a trip tomorrow, where would you go first? Drop your dream destination in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more next-gen vehicle reviews that go way beyond the ordinary. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, and travel epic.